Morning friend, today we discuss the second points of the linguistic note from paper 10 CC 510. Yesterday we discussed about the words okay. The okay words is derived from American English. O means oral and K means concrete, means all correct. Today we discuss about the second word television. Television is British or English word. Here you find out that I mentioned the words television. Television is divided in two parts. Inner part is Greek and later part is Latin. The television, tele plus vision. Tele means far and viso means sight. In the short, television means far sight. Now we understand further. The word television is a combination of Latin and Greek, means far sight. The Greek word tele means far and Latin vision means sight. In fact, we can say that the tele, the former part, and Latin vision is a later part. And in Gujarati, we know about that television is popular in our India. We can call the Doordarshan. There are many such other words for the scientific purpose. They make the meaning of it clear, and they are the telegram. Tele means far, gram means message. In the means telegram. In the sense, other words is telepathy. So tele means far and pathy means feeling or realize. In the sense telepathy. The next word is we also mentioned that telephone. Tele means far, phone means sound. These are the words whenever in the industrial revolution happened, and there are the number of industrial things and new things were invented by the scientists, and they patent their product to put their product in the market. They want to know that the name of the product itself suggests the meaning of the word. That's why they make the combination of Latin and Greek words and make the meaningful words of that product. For example, we know about that washing machine. We don't look at that the product, but you can hear the name. Washing means dhu and machines yantra. It automatically created that the clear meaning in our mind. The same thing, mixture, mix, bhegu karu, mixture, that mix up that things. And in this way, during the industrial revolution, the new invented things required the scientists to invent the new words, and television is one of this kind of the words. Further, we can try to understand there are many Latin compounds or words derived from the Latin into English. We study that there are three great influences in English language. The one is Greek influence in Unit 2. Second is Latin influence, and third is French influence. And that's why the number of the word Latin compound, they have the half of the word Latin from suffix, affix or prefix from Latin, or the root of the words from the Latin into English. They use for scientific purpose. You can understand that. And television is an example of this. It is made of Meaning far and vision means meaning to see. The word television is fact is combination of Greek and Latin element. One part of the word is Greek while other is Latin. It is one of the technical term. We can use because you technically suggest that particular meaning like photograph, telephone, appendicit, etc. Thank you.